Okay, Riley, I was going to show you one more item on this press. I didn't have it set up before. I wanted to show you the hand priming operation. This is a device that goes on here for priming cartridges if you have, onesie twosies. If you don't have a whole bunch to do, you can use this device. Now, I think you can probably see how it works here. It screws in with a thumb screw right here. You see it sticks up through the center of your shell holder right there, and it just you can flip it out of the way if you don't want to use it, or if you do, you see how it falls into that slot, and then boom, it goes up through there. Now I have this set up for large rifle primers. It also has a small rifle primer set up as well. We're using large rifles. So here's how this works. You take a primer and you set it in there the right way. Okay? See it setting in the top of there? Now what you do is you run it up just past the primer, you slide a shell casing in there, and then you push down, back up, and there you go. Again, feel to make sure that primer is below center. You get a pretty good feel for it, and you can actually go pretty quick. I use this type of primer quite a bit. Down, a little pressure on it, check it, make sure it's seated. Real simple. Yeah, right? And the primer, make sure they're in the right way. Up a little bit, case goes in, push back, case comes out, boom. There you go. Got one more to do. Now I use this option on my press. I use quite a bit. It's just sometimes easier if you only have a few to do than setting up that whole hand primer deal. Anyway, just so you see how that works. And again, there's parts in there for a small primer as well. You're not going to be fooling with that. This thing is all large rifle primers.